Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on automatic data synchronization in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. By default, our automatic data synchronization should be turned on, but if for whatever reason it's turned off, we have to go to Settings, then Accounts and Backup, and at the top we have Manage Accounts. As you can see, AutoSync data option is turned off. To turn it on, we simply check this box. What does it do? Any changes you make to your accounts on the web will be automatically copied to your phone. So accounts may be automatically copied. Any changes you make on the phone to the web. So it works both ways, of course. Now we can back out, and that's all. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.